What's up guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm aware this is not how the shirt's supposed to be. It back and front. However, I did make an attempt to fix it, but then this was still the same result. So I was like, today is not the day and I'm not the one. So it's going to stay like this. So if you don't want to see it, click off this video. Anyways, on a more serious note, today's video is going to be me giving you my honest review on the PANSLY hair removal spray and the growth inhibitor spray. I already did a video on my channel with this product. However, there was a lot of misunderstanding with the packaging and everything. Under the video that I did for this, some of you asked me to do both products, so this video is for you guys. So the growth inhibitor and the hair removal spray. And if you want both, I will say it's cheaper to get the bundle than what it than the first time I paid for this. I think I got these two for less than what I actually paid for this in the first video. So if you want to get the product, it's best to go on their website. It is cheaper there, and also the shipping is faster. So don't try to get it from a third party. It's going to cost you more. So make note of that. Before I get into the video, if you are new here and you haven't seen my face, I'm Casey. It's so lovely to have you here. It would mean a lot to me if you subscribe and turn on your notifications while you're at it. With that said, let's get into the video. I'll first show you the clips I've had from when I did the hair removal spray. It's 11:53 right now, so at 12:01, 12:02, well actually I'm going to have it stay for the full 10 minutes. They say 8 to 10 minutes, so about 12:03 thereabout I am going to wipe this off my face. But in the meantime, I am going to apply it to my legs, and once I have finished covering my leg, I'll show you what my leg looks like. I probably just have enough to do one leg, but I'll let you guys know. This finish on just one leg, so I already don't think it's economical. This is actually my leg, so it's 12:04 now. It has been more than 10 minutes, or like just over 10 minutes since I applied it to my face. So I'm just going to look at it, and I have my rag, my bowl to wipe it off. It didn't say if the rag should be wet or dry, I don't know, but so I'm just gonna wing it. So I'm gonna start with a small portion first. There is a few drops of hair there, so I'm just gonna go for it. I wiped it in my mouth. So the hair is actually coming off, so thumbs up so far. So the hair did come off, however it's not all the way clean, and I don't know if that was just the way because of the way I applied it, but it's not a clean cut, but most like 95% of the hair on right here is gone. I want you guys to see as I wipe it off, it says wait until the hair is curly, and for the most part the hair on my leg is curly, so I'm going to start at the bottom, a small swash to see, and there you have it. There you have it. The hair is coming off, but the hair goes downward, so I'm going to go upwards wiping, and I'm just gonna apply a little force. So you guys can see for yourself, like for this entire spot, I did have a thicker layer on my leg, so for this entire spot, like, I can attest it is clean. So the product is, at least for this part, is doing what it's supposed to do. And here is proof of the hair. And that too is another clean area. So I'll zoom in on my leg. As you can see, for the area in which I applied the product, it's clean for the most part and it is smooth. So it was a thicker layer, so 2 thumbs up for that part. My thoughts on the hair removal spray is that it actually works as it says it would. My problem with this product is the cost of it versus the volume of it is not like reasonable for an average person, because for instance, this is a near and it's a spray away. Technically it does the same thing. I think this was like $9 and this was like $19. So volume wise and cost wise, you get a lot more from this, which is cheaper, than what you get from this, which costs more. And technically they should do the same thing. If you want a hair removal spray, like, you can always, even the regular near, it's going to cost you cheaper than to get this, because it also does only cover a small surface area, so you can't use it for like a large area. It's not going to work. It's going to be finished, because I think I was only able to cover one leg, and we can't be walking around with one leg shave and one not shave. So for you to, like, it would be a bikini area, but how much time can you actually use it? So I don't think it's cost efficient. This cheaper than this sprays on just like this, but there is a difference in the cost and the volume. This is a lot more, which I don't think, if you can't afford it, hey, if you can afford it, 2 thumbs up to you. But I know a lot of people out there who the cost for this is ridiculous based on what you get. So if you need to do like your legs, and you need like 5 bottles, so this is like $100. Like, you could just get a full body wax or something, save up some money to do laser removal. But thumbs up that it's worth. I'm not a fan of the cost and the volume of it though. For this product, however, which is the growth inhibitor, I have mixed feelings towards it. Like, I have several, like, the growth inhibitor, like, it was just not working for me. For this, it's just spray, and the instruction says like, you use this after you use this. No, I had used this on my face right here, on my mustache and my chin area, because I'm a big man, so like I have whole facial hair. My problem with this, it works to a point. Like, for where the hair is thicker, it did not work. But for like the softer hair that was around here, I would see like the growth. It didn't completely stop, but it was delayed, if you get what I'm saying. And so it didn't grow back as fast, but there was growth coming back within like a week or so. So it takes a lot longer to grow back than if I wasn't using the product, but it didn't disappear, if you get what I'm saying. If you want, you probably can try applying it 2 to 3 times daily to see better results. The other issue that I had with this product is that, like, I was using it on my face, so it kind of felt tacky and sticky. So after you take a shower, you wash your face, you get cleansed, spray it on. It has a dewy feeling or the sticky feeling, so your face and you don't feel as clean, if you get what I'm saying. After you take a shower, you want to feel fresh, relaxed. It does not allow that. So I did not like that about this product. And then, like, how it usually basically just spray it on, like how if you apply makeup, you know, you spray finishing spray on your face. But I would use it on my face, so I would spray it around there. I wouldn't like tap it, I would just like fan and let it dry, because I didn't want to like the product I want it to be absorbed in my skin, so I let it air dry. So but when you apply it, it's runny and then the sticky feeling, so I did not like this product. But it worked to a point, but not much. So like where I have lighter here, like it's gone for the most part because of the volume. Again, like the volume, like it's a small amount. I was going to use it on my leg and my bikini area so I could show you guys, but to be realistic, it would not have lasted, so I chose to use the smallest portion, which I use the growth removal for, so I could not accomplish it for my legs and my bikini area, which I wanted to do. But that would have mean me ordering like 3, 4, or 5 more bottles of this just for it. So, and that would make it like another $100, so that's like $200-$300, which technically is, in my head, is not worth it. If it's something that you can afford, fine. But if you're looking for a cheap alternative to your hair situation, this is not the product, I believe. So especially if you have coarse hair, if your hair on your face or wherever is not as coarse, probably this would be good for you. However, if you have coarse hair like myself, it's not going to work. So for the growth inhibitor, like I just didn't like how it felt on my skin after, like that sticky feeling. And after my face is washed and I showered, like I like to feel clean, I like to feel light, but this just like adds extra stickiness to your face, so it bothers me. If that doesn't bother you, then you're okay, you'll probably be okay with the product. But if it's something that would bother you, like I would not like recommend it. With that said, I think I've hit all the nails and I talk about everything. So one thing I want to go over with you, as I said, if you want to get any of these products, like be sure to order it from their direct website. I'll link their website in the description. So it's going to cost you a lot less. It's a lot cheaper to get it on their website because you probably can get the bundle versus from a third-party website, and also the shipping is a lot faster. Their communication is not the best because I don't think like they emailed me or anything like that when they were sending the product out or anything. It just showed up in mail. However, it did come, but ordered from the site, it's going to be cheaper, the shipping is going to be faster, and that's just my experience. That's my honest review. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a massive thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Let me know if you have another product that you would like me to review. It doesn't have to be hair related, but if you have a product that you would like me to review, you can let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and never miss an upload. And most importantly, share with someone who just might need these tips. So until next time, bye.